Okay, so here we are. I'm near Buendia Station in Manila. Actually, no, not Buendia Station. Sorry, Gil Puyat Station. It's pronounced Gil Puyat, but it's spelled with a G. So you might look at it, and naturally, I used to think it was Gil Puyat, but anyway, Gil Puyat, Gil Puyat. So near that station, I have to catch the bus because I'm going to Tagaytay, which is supposed to be a pretty cool place. It's got a lake with a volcano in it, and then there's a lake in the volcano, so that sounds kind of neat. I want to see that. So the way to get there, or one of the ways to get there if you're in Manila and you're on a budget like I am, I'm going to take the bus. I have to go there to DLTB bus terminal and catch the bus from there. So let's go see if I can figure out how to do that. Got a lot of things to carry while I shoot this, so it might be a bit shaky. I don't know how it's going to look, but hopefully it looks all right. And let's see where to go. I want to go to Tagaytay. Yeah, do you know where do I buy a ticket?
Hey, we're going.
I'm going to Tagaytay.
Tagaytay this way.
Tagaytay this way. This bus?
Yeah.
Where do I buy a ticket?
The conductor in the bus.
On this bus?
Yeah.
Not that bus?
No.
Why this bus?
This.
You sure?
I'm sure 100%.
Okay, thank you. Tagaytay? Yeah. That's very helpful.
Hey, Tagaytay.
Yes. So where do I put this? What time do you leave?
Here.
What time?
Now.
Now? Okay. Do you stop?
No stop.
No stops. Do you have a bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, right at the front. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Oh, wow. Right on. That's good. No waiting. And there's a bathroom on the bus? No bathroom, no stops.
No stop. Pwede.
But if I need to go to the bathroom.
Bathroom po daw.
How long of a drive?
2 hours.
2 hours? Okay, maybe it's okay. All right, so no bathroom. And I didn't get a chance to go before. I'm on the bus. Let's see if I can hold out. Sorry, I have a minute back. Okay, so. Well, maybe I can put this here. Thank you. All right, so they put my bag down here for me. Right on. I just hope I can make it. Bus driver said 2 hours until we get there, and 2 hours. No bathroom. I was hoping to go right before leaving, but oh well. I'm sure if it's an emergency, they might make a stop, or maybe they'll just give me a bottle. Got a full bus. Got a full bus. All right, so here we go. So it's that easy. I don't know how much the fare is though. Excuse me. Excuse me. How much is the fare?
88 each.
88 pesos. And I'm going to Wind Residence. That's okay? Yeah, you can stop at Wind Residence?
Residence, Petron.
Wind. Oh,
Petron.
Petron. Okay. Thank you. All right, so they're going to take me right near to where I'm going, which is Wind Residence. I booked an Airbnb there. And yeah, so I guess I'll show you a little bit of the road, and then I'm going to turn off the camera because you probably don't want to see the, well, actually, I can't even see the road because there's that right in front of me. But I'm going to turn off the camera because no point in filming the entire trip. So what do we got? That's the famous Manila traffic. Oh, say hi.
How does like friends? What's your name? What do we pay? Ano kami? Alisay. Isa lang sa inyo.
All right, well, I guess what I'm going to do.
Kain na kayo.
Just gonna get my earbuds. I bought some new earbuds. Really close to me.
Ma'am, boss, bilhin na, kasoy.
I'm selling peanuts.
Sarap po.
That's kind of cool. Just let people on the bus to sell some snacks and just keep driving. That's pretty cool. So anyway, I had these earphones, wired earphones. Those suck, right? I mean, they're always getting tangled, and these ones have reached the end of their life. So it was time to throw them away. And I thought I'd try some earbuds. They're not as small as the Apple ones, the Apple Airbuds, or the fully wireless ones. So these ones are a bit bigger, but I don't know, they're cheap. Like I paid like 50 bucks Canadian, and they sound okay to me. So I'm gonna pop these in, listen to some music, and turn this off. We'll turn it back on if something interesting happens.
Peanuts, sir.
How much are the peanuts?
10.
10. Only 10? Give me 2 bags.
Peanuts, sir.
Actually, can you give me 3? 3?
Asoy.
4. Make 4. It's okay. 3's okay. 3's okay. Yeah, all right, that's easy change. Thank you.
Peanuts, kasoy.
Huh?
Ito
Oh,
kasoy.
sorry.
20.
Oh, cashews.
Kasoy.
Oh, okay. Cashews are 20?
20.
Okay, I'll take 1 cashew. Sure. Thank you. All right, so I got myself some peanuts and some cashews. I got my tickets. I'm gonna have to pay for that.
Sige.
I guess I'm not done yet. Hang on. So he said 88 pesos to Tagaytay. I'll get that back later. Okay, so 88 pesos to Tagaytay. Tagaytay is like a 2-hour bus ride away. It's 88 pesos. It's like $2 Canadian. That's it. $2 Canadian takes me, I don't know how many kilometers, I'll check it later, but it's a 2-hour bus ride. 3 hours with traffic, and sometimes even more than that, from what I understand. Just dropping my money all over the place. So he gave me my ticket, but I haven't paid for it. pay for it later. So anyway, yeah. So 88 pesos, which is, I don't know, a dollar. What is that? A buck? Just a little less than $1.80 US. A little more than $2 Canadian. Air-conditioned bus. There's a TV there. They're probably going to throw on some music or something. I don't know. Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. Looking forward to getting to Tagaytay. So yeah, I'll turn this off now. This time for real, unless something interesting happens again right now. But if not, then I'm going to turn it off and I will see you later. Cheers. So just got here. It was about 2 hours and 10 minutes on the bus, give or take. And I checked, it's about 58 kilometers. So not bad. 88 pesos for that ride. It's a comfortable ride too. Nothing wrong with it at all. I recommend it. There's no point in taking a private van or a taxi. You can get taxis and I think they're like, I don't know, 3,000 pesos, which is about $75 Canadian. So my place, or where I'll be, not my place, but where I'll be staying for a few days, is over in one of those buildings right there. So I'm not going to bother getting a tricycle. I could have hired a tricycle, but I like to walk, so I'm going to walk. I think I can do this even with my luggage. So yeah, just got to get across the road, and it looks like it's all smooth pavement from here, so should be all right. I got to contact my Airbnb host, so yeah, we'll pick this up a little later. Cheers. Okay, so this is my home sweet home for the next 4 days, I think it is. So yeah, not too bad. I paid for 4 nights $110 Canadian for this. So what's that, like $27.50 per night? I have to say, that's not bad at all. Pretty cheap, pretty cheap. This is interesting. There's a balcony. There's a balcony. If you want to take a step down about 30 feet, looks like. I'm not really sure why this door opens, but it does. Like, I mean, I guess I'm not sure why there's a door rather than just a window. I guess they were planning on building balconies and then they changed their minds or something. Maybe the budget ran out. This is kind of neat. I'm not really sure what I'm looking at, and I don't know if it's showing up on the camera very well or not, but there's a mountain over there, which I assume is the volcano. Taal, I don't know how it's pronounced in Filipino, but I would say Taal, maybe Taal volcano. And yeah, I mean, it's a bit hazy, or yeah, it's not that cloudy, and it's, I don't know, I don't think it's called fog, is it? Is that fog? Might be fog. I guess it's foggy or hazy. I don't even know what the difference is, to be honest, exactly. But okay, so yeah, I'm not getting like the most visibility in the world, but I can see it, and it's kind of cool. Not a bad view. I thought I'd be facing the other way, so I'm a bit pleasantly surprised. It didn't mention anything about, or did it? Did it mention anything about a view in the ad? I'm not sure. I don't remember. Anyhow, and so yeah, so this is Wind Residences, and there's a whole bunch of shops. There's 4 big buildings all together, and there's shops at the ground floor of each building. Then if you go that way, where I walked from, there's a whole bunch of restaurants. There's a McDonald's, I remember that. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of stuff. I'll have to go check it out and do some exploring. So that's the view from here. Here we got a double bed. I don't know, this is not an apartment review. This is just to give kind of like a preview of the place. After I've stayed here for 2 or 3 days and I've discovered what's good and bad about the place, maybe I'll do a more thorough review, but probably not. I think this is enough. I mean, I don't expect, you know, a lot. I think already this is pretty good for the money, especially. Nice quiet air conditioner. A lot of places in the Philippines have those window mounted, very, very noisy air conditioners. So this is nice to have. and it works well. I can feel it. It's keeping the place cool. I can feel the air hitting my face. It's nice and cool. So that's good. There's a sofa. So yeah, so it's not the Ritz-Carlton, but for 27 bucks a night, hey, you can't complain. That's fantastic. And that's Airbnb prices. That's not, you know, I'm sure if you were to rent it for a month or something like that, that's the shower. You got the big rain shower head or whatever it's called. Yeah, can't complain, can't complain. You got a couple of stove burners to cook with, some pots and pans. There's a rice cooker in here as well. There's some plates and bowls and cups and glasses. Yeah, it's all right. Fridge has a nice big freezer for ice. I like to have some ice, so that's good. I can buy a bag of ice, throw it in there. The TV's a bit small, but I never watch TV anyway. I'm usually watching stuff on my computer, so. And it has internet. So we'll see how the internet works with the computer. It's working on the phone just fine. I think I did a speed test with it. It was about 4.5 megabits per second. So anyhow, I'm gonna wrap this up and then I'm gonna put it out there on the internet for the world to see. And I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It depends on the weather. It looks like rain all day, so I may not get a chance. I might as well turn the camera. Looks like rain all day according to the forecast, so I don't know if I'll be able to get out to the volcano tomorrow or maybe the next day. I'm not sure. Today's Thursday, so I'm in no rush. I'm here until Monday, so I got 3 days to do this. And yeah, looking forward to it though. It's kind of cool. Read a little bit about it. Looks like it's about a 45 minute to a 1 hour climb if you're climbing it on your own without renting the ponies. I'm not, you know, not that my weight would stress the ponies a whole lot, but I like to walk, so I'll probably climb up myself. Anyway, that I'll save it for another video. Thanks for watching. So that's the place I'm in. I'm in Tagaytay. Yeah. If there's anybody in Tagaytay who wants to have a drink, let me know. I don't think Tagaytay has a large population, does it? So I don't expect a lot of invitations, but hey, if there is somebody here watching this, thumbs up. All right, cheers. Bye.